To better learn this song, get the free guitar blueprint with all the chords, tabs, lyrics, and more at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free, and it'll help you learn this song a whole lot easier. Plus, there's a few surprise gifts for you inside of the blueprint. How about a little classic Tom Petty? Let's have some fun with this one. This is one of my, if not my very favorite, one of my favorite Tom Petty songs, The Waiting. This was in one of his earlier hits, and it's got some cool parts to it. It's got some walk downs and a few different chord moves that I'll show you. But it's a fun one to play. I'm going to start out with the intro. So before I do that, though, I just want to quickly outline the chords that you're going to be using in this song. It's a G with, I call it the big G, the big chime G. So that's the one where you have the 3rd fret on the B string with your ring finger and then your pinky tucked under on the 3rd fret of the G string. I like the sound of that one, especially in this song. Then you got an A sus, a D, a B minor, and it has a couple little moves within the B minor. And then the only other chord is an F major, F sharp major I should say. So that happens right before the solo. So those are the chords you're going to be using in the song. Now let me walk it through. So the opening lick is a walk down in G, and you're doing... So you're basically hitting your low E string on the G note, 3rd fret, and then flatten at a half step to an F sharp note, and then over to an A sus. It's just like an A, but you got a D note there, makes it a sus. So that's the setup. And then the verse, oh yeah, or you can play like that if you want, to a G, well yeah, another one, to D, again, A, G, D, again. Now you're going to go up to your B minor, but not as good as I feel right now, to G, baby. Stay on the G, and it builds up. Oh, sorry, it goes to the A there. And then it does the G walk down like this. Well, the waiting is the A, G walk down. Stays at the A there. So like this again. Well, the waiting is the hardest part. Every day, over 1 more yard. Stays at the A. You take it, walk down the A. You take it to the heart. A to D. The waiting is the hardest part. Intro. So that A sus. That's the part that gets you from verse to verse. So let me take that slowly so you got it. It's a little bit, there's a few movements there that are a little tricky. So the verse again is, oh yeah, A, G, D, A, that, that's good, then it goes to the B minor, that's good, that feel right. And then it builds up, pumps the A. And you have an option here. You can do like a bird's move. I tend to do that. I just lift up either your 3rd finger like this. You've heard that. That's Petty doing a bird's lick. And And then it goes to the chorus. Well, the waiting is the hardest part. G, F sharp. Stays at the A here. Oh, yard. Walk down again. A to D. The waiting is the hardest part. And then it goes to the pre, right before the solo, which is a bridge, goes to B minor. Stays there. Don't let them get you, baby. Don't let them get you. Goes to the A and does a walk up. To D, to G, to F sharp major. Kind of a cool little. And then solo. Same chords as the verse. Okay, so let's take it slowly. And one thing I want to mention on that B minor chord too that Mike Campbell does, both in the form of the verse and in the bridge, he does a little lift. So you're taking your second finger and just lifting it up on your bar chord. So little voicing that Mike Campbell does. Then it does that A. And then to A. So you'll notice I'm doing a lot of what I call pickups. That is a... That's kind of what makes the song, kind of motorizes the track and moves it along. Hey friends, we've got a super exciting announcement and we'll get you right back to your guitar lesson. Every Wednesday we pick a new winner to give away prizes like free guitar courses, swag and apparel, and occasionally we'll even give away free guitars, gear, and sometimes we even give away cold hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the YouTube channel and you're automatically registered to win. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, and get updates for when new videos are uploaded. And make sure you like this video and comment down below for even more chances to win. Winners will be announced every Wednesday in our daily video and in the community tab. So keep an eye out for your name being called and good luck. Okay, back to your guitar lesson. So that's the waiting is the hardest part. Let me play through a verse, a chorus, and I'm going to give you the true, what I call the true bridge. And you'll get a feel for how it all flows together. Okay, here we go. Take it to the bridge. Little lift there. Now walk up to the G. Sorry, after the B minor, do a lift. Stays there twice. Then it goes to an A and a walk up. And a walk up to the G. And then lands on the F sharp major. of the wind. You take it away. It's fairly advanced, but it's a fun song to get down. I flubbed it a couple of places there, excuse me if I did, but yeah, it's Tom Petty at his very best, I think. The waiting is the hardest part. Probably my favorite all-time Tom Petty song. Alright, we'll see you down the road. Thank you for taking the time to check out this online guitar lesson. Remember, you can get the free guitar blueprint for this song that'll help you learn it a whole lot easier at www.jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it's yours to keep. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and hit the bell notification, because every Wednesday we pick random winners to give away guitar courses, swag and apparel, guitar gear, and sometimes we'll even give away cold hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're eligible to win. And if you want even more chances to win, like this video and leave a comment below, and share this video with anyone you think might like it. All winners will be announced in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. Good luck!